Hello everyone. Today I give and explain the importance of a DDU Purandra. If we right now I study in DDU Purandra every horse and in started in the earliest in 3 to 4 days. I right now I started. If in my classmate, batchmate and under the junior and senior say कि are you studying in DDU Purandra? Can you explain what is important and why you are studying? And he is fire engineer, is it related to any content or not? If it's benefit or not? Is it important or not in fire engineering? That type of and what is it, what if you see her and ask me another person, कि you read a book or not? That type of case, okay. I clear everything with you all. First of all, I just explain and it's my real analysis कि because I read in DTU Purandra. I one my senior say कि if you read in DTU Purandra, you are clear in your concept everything through in DTU Purandra. In second sem in 1 and 2 approximately 2 years ago, I just go and just share and no resume share me, and then I in Xerox in just a print out. I have print out just in a print out, and then I read everything in file. But that time I don't know clarify, and second I don't know exact meaning of any word particular area only read, but I not understood. But that time I thinks right now if I read in future I very helpful for me if I just read and in another times, yes, okay. But that time read, and then this time I went to go in my home. That time also just in only read, I not focus. But right now in Sondake sir completed one subject in the fire protection, because it's a fire protection is a basic of a DDU Purandra. If you done in DDU Purandra and then you study read in fire protection, so it's a very similar. Both are very similar top. Everything is similar, and but I not understood in a properly fire protection. Why? Because I read in upper level only is a higher level, but in basic funda is a very big. In DTU Purandra first chapter in only case study what fire happen and which region is a fire happen in India, world, and mostly in case study. And you are investigate कि why fire happen in this area first chapter. And second chapter second chapter कि what is a process fundamental is a fire, what is a fire and what is a triangle, basic fundamental all of fire related all of you understood. And that is third chapter. Is a third chapter is everything only fire. What is a fire? What is the classification of the fire and what is the scenario of fire? In case of the fire, so what extinguisher you are using, what different type of fire extinguisher, and the process of a fire ignition, everything in that initial point you are understood little bit fire, everything. First is what is the exact fire, then what is the classification of the fire, and what is the fire is available, which everything is definitely. If you knowledge, if you have knowledge both are what is a fire ignition throat, and then what classification, then definitely you just think in your mind कि if both are right, to I am fire engineer, so I require to control and suppress the fire, control and suppress in fire in different type of execution media. So that type is available all the execution media in the fourth chapter in fourth chapter. But right now I not completed in the fourth chapter. That reason I not in for fifth in the chapter I not read, but I not little. I have knowledge little bit in the produce in the conversion of the reaction, and that and sixth semester I don't six chapter in seventh chapter, and I don't know, but I promise कि I read everything in a very few days, and then it's okay. It's a 5 minute, okay. If I just let what did you print, I know everything did you print. That reason I little bit serious, but I not use in my mind, not use in my mind, that I'm choosing another topic also.